BUSCH Germany, your competent partner for lifting platforms and vehicle garage equipment with 12 branches in 7 countries. The horizontal 250-liter air compressor, model TWKL-250-10 is fully equipped with a non-return valve, pressure reducer, adjustable pressure switch with on-off switch, motor protection, startup relief, safety valve, pressure gauge, ball valve, and condensate drain, as well as test certificates for the tank. The powerful 3-cylinder unit achieves a compressor speed of 1,040 revolutions per minute, an intake capacity of 950 liters per minute, and an effective delivery volume of 780 liters per minute at 6 bar, at a working pressure of 10 bar. The electric motor with a power output of 5.5 kilowatts, 400 volts, must be fused with 25 amps. The sound pressure level is 80 decibels A. A 400-volt 3-phase connection is required to operate the TWKL-250-10. The compressor weighs 195 kilograms and is supplied with test certificates for the tank. Visit us in one of our branches. With 12 branches in 7 countries also in your area. We offer advice and product demonstrations in our showrooms, as well as sales and technical service on-site with our service fleet. Warehouse logistics with large stock of products available for an immediate delivery. Spare parts and repair service assembly videos with step-by-step instructions, as well as constant new and further developments of our products. Everything from a single source, from lifts to tire changes and tire balances. Awarded 9 times as the best brand. BUSCH Germany, your competent automotive garage supplier.